70.
Let's push the
Pink
70
Roadrunner.
up.
Gonna give her a bet. This will be bigger, dude. Find batteries for the camera.
Battery charger.
You got a charger?
Yeah.
Okay. How's she looking, bro?
She's looking good. So the block's in was casted on November 17th, 69, so it's perfect for the period correct. And the transmission, we know is a 4-speed, but obviously it's not the original one.
Oh, they did throw a 4-speed in here?
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. Oh, I see we've got the open oil pan. You see right up in there. She looks good.
Julius on this one, you don't have to take much apart. Oh wow, look at these air shocks again. You got the
What is going on with these, bro?
another set of air shocks there, old school.
Same exact brand. That's
What are the
actually.
odds of that,
What are the odds of that? Same brand, air shock. Cars were not in the same place. Yeah, we got them both from 5150, but wow, vintage, bro. I'm gonna throw these on the charger.
There you go.
Clean them out. They work, no doubt. Look at this old setup right here. This track setup is badass.
Pretty neat, huh?
Very neat.
I'll clean up these numbers real quick. So here's the engine block number, right? And so the engine block number, Danny, is looks like 0G168657. So if anyone that's watching this has got that car, let us know. But 383 period correct, which is cool, right? Again, 11/17 of 69 is when this motor was casted, so fits for the car perfect. Obviously not numbers matching. Transmission, same thing. Making Mopars great again though, so we're gonna bring her back. Just because she's got a non-numbers matching doesn't mean we throw her away. We bring her back better than ever. Better than when she was new is what our goal is. So this number is G1330. Looks like 5-1. And then G99129H. So 4-speed. And we'll pull those numbers out on exactly what year that is. I don't know off the top of my head. Super cool. Again, the amazing thing is going to be when the transformation's done. When Julius brings this thing back, Carlos builds the engine, Julius restores the car. It's going to be crazy to see the transformation. It's my favorite part. Look at that. Looking in the pistons. You don't have to see that every day from here, huh?
No. Well, lack thereof of pistons.
Lack thereof.
But the crank.
Super cool.
383. She gonna make a lot of power.
Carlos is gonna trip when he gets this. He's thinking to get the whole motor close to it. he replaces the guts anyway. So here's the fender tag. FM3, as we mentioned, is the paint code for the Panther Pink. The RM21 is the Roadrunner. Here is the last 6, and this is the how you would look at. Basically, it's on the VIN number production numbers there. So when you look at these numbers here, they have to match the transmission, which we know does not, right there. And again, this is all on the passenger side. And then also the engine, these numbers would match. So if these all match along with your fender tag and your VIN, then you know you got numbers matching. So obviously this one doesn't, but as we said before, it matters, but not really to us. We're going to bring this thing back. Cool. There we go. How about a little purple or a little pink there?
It's the Roadrunner of many colors.
You look at the pink, you look at the purple, almost like a pink purple. Just wonder over the years what people do to these things. It's crazy. Let's see if we got a build sheet. I doubt it. Better pull the seat forward.
Pull it forward or pull it out.
Pull it out. Oh, look here. It was a build sheet. Look at this. Little remnants of a build sheet.
Oh, wow.
Is that cool or what?
That's the real deal right there.
Well, can we say it came with the build sheet?
It came with the build sheet, guys.
But this car was, where's this car? Georgia? Is that where it was? Yeah, I think so. Oh, wow. There's a build sheet in there. A little one. Here. Pull that out, Danny. Take that. Set that. How cool is this? I mean,
Let's squeeze them in there, huh?
oh yeah. Stuck.
He claustrophobic. Oh, shit.
Well, maybe what I ought to do is take this seat out. Hey, come over here, Danny. You can see the build sheet. And that's just crazy. You look at this car, you know, 1970 Roadrunner, a car that's been sitting in Georgia forever, out there in the humidity and everything, and you find a little bit of a build sheet in there. That's just crazy. Wild. I mean, I think we'll probably, let's pull this seat out and we'll just, kind of cool. I mean, it's, keep a piece of it anyway, right? There we go. Well, you got a build sheet. That's super cool, man. It's super cool when you find them and they're all put together, like on the 73 Duster. The green one we're doing. you come over here, Danny, look at the fender tag. That's right. The fender tag's actually in the glove box. Just we didn't want it to get lost during travel. Take a look at the fender tag here. Super cool. I'll leave it in the case here. But you know, you got the FM3 right there. That's the Panther Pink. So this engine here, as we said, it's not numbers matching, but it's period correct. 383 is what this car came with, so it's 383. The unique thing about this car is it's the only one ever made. That's what's so unique. I know it's in a little rough condition, but the only ever one made with a white painted top. So instead of vinyl, it's actually white painted, pink FM3 car with white interior, and it's gonna pop. And on a B body, this is just so big of a car with all the pink, it's gonna be crazy. And it's still gonna have the molding that'll come through, that'll cut off the pink to the white, but it'll be painted. We don't have one of those painted roof car.
No.
And this is we're being told, unless someone corrects us, but 44 Panther Pink Roadrunners were made, one with the white painted top. So super rare car, unique find. As you guys know, we love the Roadrunner. I think we have 5 now. It's the first one, CP Mopar Garage. That's the original, right? The green 70 Roadrunner. And the fact that we've got this thing now is just going to be super cool. Can't wait.
The other part that makes this one interesting, though, is the transmission that came in this thing original.
3-speed.
It's a 3-speed manual.
Yeah, 3-speed manual. We're going to put a 4-speed manual in its transmission, as well as, you know, just build the period correct 383. But isn't it neat over the years? Like, look, this is off another car. You could tell, I would assume, or either painted. And then you got all the different colors in here.
That's a great color too, though.
Purple sometime. What a trip.
You thought the Duster would look cool done. Imagine this thing done.
This thing's gonna be crazy. Even got autograph wheels. Little autograph there. And an RM21 Roadrunner. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's so neat about this build sheet. So cool. Pull this bad boy out. It's so messed up. What's the matter right at this point? But we'll just keep that as a little piece sake here.
Did you say piece sake? You mean keepsake?
Keepsake. Piece too, you know?
Yeah, keep the piece.
Keep the piece. Look at that bad boy. Isn't that cool?
The last piece is over on the rear quarter.
Okay. So it's kind of neat there.
Oh, you can see it, bro. It says Hemi.
Oh, shit. So this one, they say, does it have a build sheet?
Looking right, it does.
Sure does. You didn't ask if you can read it.
No, but it's there.
Oh, is that alarm?
On the other side, driver's side.
Cool. Deal with that later. There you go. She latched there. Latch this. Oh, you know what? I actually take some more pictures of this guy. Take some more pictures of him.
4-speed. Thank Roadrunner.